What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Emma. My name is Emma.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I am from Italy. I am from Italy.
How old are you? How old are you?
I am 24 years old. I am 24 years old.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Paris. I live in Paris.
What do you do? What do you do?
I am a nurse. I am a nurse.
What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast? What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast. I eat eggs and toast.
Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee?
I drink coffee every morning. I drink coffee every morning.
How do you go to work? How do you go to work?
I go by bus. I go by bus.
What do you do after work? What do you do after work?
I watch Netflix. I watch Netflix.
Who do you live with? Who do you live with?
I live with my sister. I live with my sister.
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta. My favorite food is pasta.
Do you like music? Do you like music?
I love listening to music. I love listening to music.
What music do you like? What music do you like?
I like pop music. I like pop music.
Can you cook? Can you cook?
I can cook very well. I can cook very well.
What is your hobby? What is your hobby?
My hobby is painting. My hobby is painting.
Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet?
I have a small dog. I have a small dog.
What color do you like? What color do you like?
I like pink. I like pink.
Where do you study? Where do you study?
I study at college. I study at college.
What language do you speak? What language do you speak?
I speak English and French. I speak English and French.
What do you do on weekends? What do you do on weekends?
I visit my friends. I visit my friends.
Do you like sports? Do you like sports?
I like playing tennis. I like playing tennis.
What time do you sleep? What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 11 p.m. I sleep at 11 p.m.
Why are you learning English? Why are you learning English?
I want a better job. I want a better job.
What movie do you like? What movie do you like?
I like comedy movies. I like comedy movies.
Do you watch YouTube? Do you watch YouTube?
I watch YouTube every day. I watch YouTube every day.
What do you usually buy online? What do you usually buy online?
I usually buy makeup. I usually buy makeup.
Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Lily. My best friend is Lily.
What do you drink in the morning? What do you drink in the morning?
I drink orange juice. I drink orange juice.
How often do you exercise? How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week. I exercise 3 times a week.
What country do you want to visit? What country do you want to visit?
I want to visit Japan. I want to visit Japan.
Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling?
I enjoy traveling a lot. I enjoy traveling a lot.
What do you wear at work? What do you wear at work?
I wear a white uniform. I wear a white uniform.
Do you drive a car? Do you drive a car?
I drive my car every day. I drive my car every day.
What do you do before bed? What do you do before bed?
I read a book. I read a book.
What is your favorite drink? What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is tea. My favorite drink is tea.
What is your phone number? What is your phone number?
My phone number is 555-9087. My phone number is 555-9087.
Do you like shopping? Do you like shopping?
I love shopping with my friends. I love shopping with my friends.
Where do you buy clothes? Where do you buy clothes?
I buy clothes online. I buy clothes online.
What is your favorite season? What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring. My favorite season is spring.
Do you like cats? Do you like cats?
I think cats are very cute. I think cats are very cute.
What app do you use the most? What app do you use the most?
I use Instagram the most. I use Instagram the most.
What do you usually do in the morning? What do you usually do in the morning?
I make breakfast. I make breakfast.
What time do you start work? What time do you start work?
I start work at 8 a.m. I start work at 8 a.m.
Do you like English songs? Do you like English songs?
I listen to English songs every day. I listen to English songs every day.
What do you usually watch on TV? What do you usually watch on TV?
I watch drama shows. I watch drama shows.
Who do you call every day? Who do you call every day?
I call my mother. I call my mother.
How is the weather today? How is the weather today?
It is sunny today. It is sunny today.
What do you want to eat now? What do you want to eat now?
I want pizza. I want pizza.
How do you feel today? How do you feel today?
I feel great today. I feel great today.
What do you usually wear at home? What do you usually wear at home?
I wear comfortable clothes. I wear comfortable clothes.
Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking?
I enjoy cooking dinner at home. I enjoy cooking dinner at home.
What do you cook the most? What do you cook the most?
I cook pasta the most. I cook pasta the most.
Where do you usually relax? Where do you usually relax?
I usually relax in my room. I usually relax in my room.
What time do you leave home? What time do you leave home?
I leave home at 8 a.m. I leave home at 8 a.m.
Do you like rainy days? Do you like rainy days?
I prefer sunny days. I prefer sunny days.
What is your favorite app? What is your favorite app?
My favorite app is TikTok. My favorite app is TikTok.
What do you do during lunch break? What do you do during lunch break?
I eat with my coworkers. I eat with my coworkers.
How many hours do you work? How many hours do you work?
I work 8 hours a day. I work 8 hours a day.
What do you usually do on Sunday? What do you usually do on Sunday?
I stay home and rest. I stay home and rest.
Do you like fast food? Do you like fast food?
I sometimes eat fast food. I sometimes eat fast food.
What is your favorite fruit? What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango. My favorite fruit is mango.
Who do you text the most? Who do you text the most?
I text my best friend the most. I text my best friend the most.
What kind of books do you read? What kind of books do you read?
I read romance books. I read romance books.
Where do you usually drink coffee? Where do you usually drink coffee?
I usually drink coffee at work. I usually drink coffee at work.
What time do you eat dinner? What time do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 7 p.m. I eat dinner at 7 p.m.
Do you like winter? Do you like winter?
I love cold winter days. I love cold winter days.
What do you usually carry in your bag? What do you usually carry in your bag?
I carry my phone and keys. I carry my phone and keys.
Why do you use Instagram? Why do you use Instagram?
I use it to share photos. I use it to share photos.
What do you want to do this weekend? What do you want to do this weekend?
I want to go shopping. I want to go shopping.
How do you practice English? How do you practice English?
I practice English with videos. I practice English with videos.